Hi, welcome to Hot Moms Dinner Club. It's that time of the week again. Another work week coming up, and we've got your meals ready to go for you. Next, we have meal two. That's just fried shrimp with baked potatoes and coleslaw. We're going to make a good amount of coleslaw, though, because we're also going to serve that later with meal four. Back in bin 6, we did coleslaw that I bought a prepackaged mix, and then I made the dressing. This one we're doing completely from scratch because it's actually super easy. And I know buying the bag coleslaw is a big time saver. And if you want to do that, that's fine. It's just that the store I was at wanted like $2 plus for the bag of coleslaw mix. And I just couldn't see paying that, especially when I already had red cabbage and carrots in my refrigerator at home. It's time for meal two. We're going to start meal two by getting our potatoes in the oven to bake. That's going to be the only lengthy item on this meal is getting your potatoes baked. You can also make your coleslaw whenever because the more it sits and wilts, the nicer it is. So if you want to go ahead and just get your potatoes in the oven and get your coleslaw made, then all you have to do is just fry your shrimp toward the very end. I've got this family pack of shrimp here. Got some cocktail sauce to serve that with. So I'm going to start getting our potatoes in. I'm going to wrap them in foil, toss them with oil, salt, and pepper. Those are going to go in the oven. Then I'm going to start by shredding up our cabbage. So I'm going to get the cabbage ready for the coleslaw, and then I'll show you how to make the dressing to dress the coleslaw with. So about 3/4 ahead of the green, 1/4 on the purple, and then the carrots, 1 to 2 carrots, depending on the size and depending on your preference, if you want it to have a lot of carrot or just a little carrot. I did 2 because mine were rather small. So now I'm going to make the dressing here, and that's it. We're just going to add the dressing into this, and that is done. You can buy this pre-made if you would like. Buy it and make it yourself. You'll have some of this left over for sure, and that's great for salads. I love this in salads. For our dressing, we just got 1/4 of a red onion in here. We're going to fry this up. We're going to add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. We've got a couple tablespoons of sugar, again, depending on your preference, if you like it sweet or not so sweet. Some salt and pepper, and then, of course, our mayonnaise. I've got about almost 3/4 of a cup here for that much. We may actually even have to add a little bit more. It may seem a little bit dry in the beginning when you add it in, but you know, once your cabbage does start to wilt, it will get juicier. Pop this in the refrigerator, and I'll give it another stir and put it in a clean dish before I serve it. So our baked potatoes are almost done. I'm going to mix the coleslaw together one more time and get it in a clean bowl. I'm going to drop our shrimp. You can cook your shrimp according to the package direction. This one you can bake or fry. Bake them if you want them, fry them if you want them, however you want to do it. Just cook your shrimp according to the package direction and however many pieces you need for your dinner.
So that's meal 2, our breaded shrimp dinner with baked potatoes and coleslaw. Super quick and easy. All you need to worry about is getting those potatoes in ASAP. Then you have lots of time to work on your coleslaw and your shrimp. You can always microwave your potatoes too if you don't have enough time to bake them. The coleslaw here was completely made from scratch. However, you've got lots of alternatives. You can always buy the coleslaw base and make your dressing. You can also buy the base with the dressing included in there. Or you can always just make the base and then buy the dressing pre-made, or even a poppy seed dressing if you prefer that. Just look for the best deal for you and your budget. I purchased sour cream for our potatoes and cocktail sauce for our shrimp. The cocktail sauce wasn't expensive, but you can always make that too as well. Cocktail sauce is just ketchup with prepared horseradish, lemon juice, and Worcestershire sauce. So this plate just looks like something straight out of a restaurant. However, if you were to get this at a restaurant, you'd be paying probably $12 to $15 per plate. So when you think about that, if you take your family out and add on another $10, say, for iced tea or sodas, plus the tax, you are looking at well over $60 for all 4 of you to eat this dinner. So that's what I love about Hot Moms. It gives you 4 of these restaurant quality meals for under $50. It's easy to stay on your food budget when you're eating this good with these quality meals with tons of variety. Plus, with all the money that you're saving on a regular basis, you can set up dining out intervals that work for you and your family for your particular budget. Whether it be once a week or once a month, you now have the money and the freedom to spend that money on dining out. And that way you can do it and enjoy it without feeling regret or remorse. Hot Moms Dinner Club is just here to help you spend your food money a little bit wiser.
If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out hotmomsdinnerclub.com. I think you'll be surprised at how organized it is and all the great ideas you can find on there. Just pick a bin and roll with it. I think you'll be surprised with the website and how easy it is to use and all the great ideas, the recipes, the grocery list. You can download the grocery list. So a lot of exciting things on that. It also makes a great gift. HotMomsDinnerClub.com. Lots of great, exciting things going on there. So this has been 20. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hot Moms Dinner Club.
And what to eat?